With conventional wiring, sensors and actuators are almost always connected with many and expensive connectors or local distributors are used. In contrast, how is it possible to save hundreds of connectors with AS interface?
AS interface was developed with one goal in mind. It should be simple, simpler than any cabling and bus system before. You can connect field modules without any plugs or sockets. The AC cable is simply inserted and securely contacted thanks to piercing technology. For this purpose, 4 gold-plated needles always penetrate vertically, so you don't need expensive Ethernet cables or complex power supply cables. And the savings on connectors are truly enormous. Other field bus systems often require several hundred of connectors for a larger system. And why do less connectors mean even more connections? Because you can connect additional modules anywhere without connectors, at any point, even between existing modules. This is possible with Ethernet solutions only at great expense. Sometimes less is more.